My name is Kyle, and I'm a rising junior at Garden City High School. Today, I'll be showing you my magnetic levitation device. Now, I'd just like to start off by saying that this is not completely finished, and this is more in the work in progress stage, but I'm still going to show you how exactly this works. So this is a file, this is just used for demonstration. I'm going to put it under the electromagnet, and if you just give it a moment, it should connect, as you see. So now, with magnets, this sometimes happens, but you just have to wait. And I'm going to bring magnets over to the Hall sensor, and sorry about that. Sometimes it's these magnets are extremely strong, but eventually, as you can see, so what happens is, that was intended. So what happens is, the magnets, these right here, are brought over to a Hall sensor. What a Hall sensor exactly is something that's able to detect magnetic fields. This is something that's very crucial to the design of magnetic levitation because there's also an electromagnet. An electromagnet is a special type of magnet that can only be used or emit some type of magnetic force once there's an electrical current put into it. As a result, the Hall sensor is used to control how much force that electromagnet is emitting. For example, if whatever would be levitating is close to the top where the Hall sensor would be, then the electromagnet would decrease its strength and therefore lower the object, and once again, then the electromagnet increases. And it's basically a cycle. So even though it appears to be levitating, it's actually moving up and down in a very small micro adjustment pattern. Overall, I had a great experience both at Bluestamp and with building this project. There was a lot of challenges that came into building magnetic levitation. As Sam said earlier on, going in, we knew that it may not be plausible to finish the entire project in 3 weeks, but the experience that I gained and also the knowledge I learned was really amazing, honestly. When it came to what I learned soldering, I learned how to code with Arduino, which is a nano, which is actually a little smaller than the usual Arduino. But overall, I learned even some valuable life lessons, such as sometimes in order to progress, you sometimes need to take a step back. But the reason for that would be, for example, breadboarding, which is essentially like a temporary circuit. I kept trying to fix one thing, and it never really worked. So I took a step back, and was finally able to get the breadboard. But yeah, personally, I really love Bluestamp. It was amazing. I loved everything about it, from the people to even the commute. I mean, but but overall, I really love Bluestamp, and I learned a lot from the program and everything. So yeah, thank you very much. At this point, I'm going to open the floor to any questions that you guys may have.
So at the end of the day, what's really supposed to happen is whatever you're putting is just supposed to hang in between the top and the bottom?
Yes, so I didn't exactly explain that correctly, but this isn't actually what's going to be levitating. Our plan was to have like something with a hockey puck, which would have like a magnet on top of it. And what's essentially happening is you put it down, and it's able to levitate because of the fact that the electromagnet is increasing its strength and decreasing really quickly. So even though it appears to be levitating, it's really just slowly, or quickly rather, moving up and down. If that makes sense to explain. Anyone else?
So it's like it's hanging on a transparent string.
So that means that whatever you're trying to levitate is basically, it looks like it's levitating, but it's not. It's going along the current.
Yeah, it's essentially appearing to be suspended in the air, and it's really hard to see. It's not like massive up and down. It's very small micro adjustments.
Okay, like floating and like this.
Yeah.
Very cool.
If you were to put an object, like a brick, between the electromagnet and the floating object, would it like snap the invisible thing?
Well, I was actually doing some research on that, and from my understanding, a magnetic field cannot be simply altered with by anything. It's something that just is like a universal accepted idea. So, I mean, I guess you could, the reason that you want to use a heavier item is because then it's harder for the magnet to connect, but at the same time, insulating with something wouldn't necessarily prevent the electromagnet from working better too.
Perfect.